Hello YouTube viewers and welcome to Make Me One videos. My first project I made was a storage shelf. Though it doesn't seem like anything fancy, it is well designed to hold the maximum amount of power tools in the minimum amount of space. It is a great space saver, especially if you have limited space like I do. This unit contains 14 compartments and occupies 4.5 square feet of floor space and offers 25 cubic feet of storage. The shelf is about 12 inches deep by 54 inches wide by 70 inches high and is raised another 6 inches by casters. The frame and the shelves are constructed of 3/4 inch thickness of plywood to ensure sturdiness. The backing is 1/8 inch plywood with 1 to 2 round keyholes drilled in each compartment rear for feeding power cords through, keeping them out of the way. Along the bottom is a front lip that is 6 inches high. I use this prefabricated wood with vertical grooves, but you can put any type of board here. On either side are 5 1 cubic foot compartments where I store my small power tools. The middle section of the 4 taller compartments is for larger tools. Since they require more than a cubic foot of storage, I made them custom heights and added extensions that stand out an extra 6 inches. The shelf with its extensions attached totals 18 inches deep, which is still plenty narrow enough to roll through a standard door. From left to right, as you can see, my shelf holds the following tools. The top shelf is for my drills. The second shelf is 2 power sanders. The third, an electric plane and jigsaw. The fourth, a trim, router, and a bit set. And the very bottom shelf is for 2 more power sanders I use less often. In the center section, there's a Craftsman router that I keep mounted to the table. The second shelf down is a Rockwell Blade Runner 2 scroll saw. And the third shelf has a benchtop sander. The very bottom compartment is where I store a wooden box jig I created to make box joints. The rightmost section contains 5 compartments that I hold my circular saw, plastic tarps for painting, cases for my power tools, and a toolbox for my bicycle repair tools. On the left side, I created a simple wooden slot to slide my Craig AccuCut saw guide into, but you can add some simple custom-made tool holders to either side to store whatever tools you wish to store. Next, I placed 4 casters under the shelf so I can easily pull the unit out to clean under it. It's handy if you wish to pull out the shelf to see if anything fell behind it. While casters are nice, you must be careful when pulling the shelf away from the wall as it can easily tip over. Finally, to protect the contents on the shelf from dust, I mounted a standard curtain rod and used a shower curtain. Because shower curtains are plastic, it does not absorb water and is easy to clean. I just need to remember to close the shower curtain before I cut wood or do any power sanding. Written plans for the shelf are available upon request. Currently I don't have a website, but if I do get one, I'll be sure to post them there. If you wish to make this shelf for yourself, you can either follow my plans or tailor them to your own personal needs. I recommend using thicker than 1/2 inch plywood for the shelf, as the thicker the board, the more sturdier the unit will be. For the backing, thin artificial wood will do, especially if you don't want to make it too heavy. Although the shelves in my unit are permanently mounted, you can make them adjustable by using holes and pins. If you're storing numerous corded tools, don't forget to drill holes in the back so the cords could dangle out the back. Corded tools are best placed on the highest shelves to prevent them from dangling excessively on the floor and being run over when trying to move the unit. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like it and subscribe to Make Me One Woodworking. If you have suggestions on how to make this even better, your comments are much appreciated. Have a great day.